Hey everyone, my name is Manjeet and I'm an interior designer. If you are interested in interior related videos, then you can do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to make a DIY of homemade candles. What you need is only three basic things. Just you need water, oil and cotton wick. So with these three things you can make a homemade candle and you can decorate your home like this. Sometimes we get stuck in such situations like these days. We are facing lots of problems and we can't even buy anything. We actually don't want to buy anything from the market and we don't want to interact with the people. I think this is not because of the lockdown or quarantine. This is actually because of the fear in our mind, and we just get stuck in our homes. We can't even celebrate any occasion, our birthdays, anniversaries, we can't even celebrate our festivals, our rituals. I remember when there was my birthday, how do I celebrate? I do the same. I don't have a lot of things to decorate my home, so with the help of some flowers and these homemade candles, this is I think getting easy for me. Today I'm going to share this hack with you so you can easily decorate your home and use this DIY on any occasion, like on any festival, any ritual, and birthday party, anniversary party, Diwali, Holi, on any occasion you can use this. And this is, I think, a pretty cool idea to decorate in under budget. Actually this is not very much costly. This is very cheap and cool idea. Don't skip the video, watch till the end, and this is going to be interesting, guys. So let's get started. Hope you liked it, and if you like my videos, then do consider subscribe. If you love this idea, please share in your community. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.